Okay, Rachel, this is the backyard. Bird bath. There's a picnic table. I'm gonna walk towards the shed.
Ito lang ang sinasabi ko, kailangan magpa-termite.
There's your grandma.
If ever na lumabas ang termite dyan at hindi gagawin ng pang, your other option is take it down. Because it's only a covered patio. At least it's not inside the house. Kasi ang bahay, stucco and tile. So I doubt na nasa bahay.
So ito,
I think
itong ano
it's
na
just
to,
on the... But then,
lapis na.
yeah, pananggal mo na lahat. And then later on, pag nakaipon ulit, pwede kang magpagawa ng aluminum na patio cover.
Oh.
Don't you think, Tito?
Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi ano lang naman siya, kasi wood siya eh.
Yeah, I think this is an orange tree, Daddy.
Yeah, I think this is an orange.
So this is the side yard, huh? At least maganda, oh, nakasemento na rin yung ano niya. May walkway na siya.
Ito yung mga roses, oh.
Ha? May roses din siya.
Ito, Here
Oh.
on the side.
Yeah, I can smell. There's a fragrant
You
rose
smell the
somewhere.
roses. Here, there's one here in front.